2 minutes.
Come here to me. Come on. Look.
Oh wow. Yeah, they are pretty big. Look at that.
You don't want to see?
It's a storm.
They're getting bigger.
Okay, hey,
It's getting bigger, baby.
I'm about to make a video.
Recording?
I'm gonna make a record. Hello, people, and it's Halloween outside. Look, it's real bad. It's the first time I ever seen one.
Second.
Second, wait, really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, no, this is the first time when I'm a kid.
Seems like it's slowing down now.
Anyway, no.
You want to get one? You want to touch one?
Ready. I'm gonna try to get one. Wait.
Let's see how it touches me. Okay, ready?
Ready? Can you open it? Okay, open it.
Hurry, get one.
Okay. There. I got one. Oh!
Oh, it fell from the sky.
Look.